Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. As the green arrow shows, motorists will pay $2.52 more for a litre of 87 and 90 gasoline. Automotive diesel will go up 31 cents and low sulfur diesel rises by 39 cents. Kerosene will also increase by 27 cents. There will be a $1.36 drop in the price of propane, while butane will fall by $1.30. Meanwhile, global oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in April went down by 59 cents to settle at $59.41 a barrel. Let's now move to the performance of four main currencies. The US dollar is selling higher at $125.89. The Canadian, $95.13. The pound sterling went for $163.17, while the euro closed at $140.17. The Bank of Jamaica today cut its policy rates by 25 basis points to a new historic low of 1.25%. It's aimed at supporting inflation to the target range of between 4 and 6% by December 2020. The rate cut is also designed to stimulate more loans in the private sector, which should increase economic activity. The JSE index gained 3,165 points today, while the junior market index lost 10 points. Among the winners, Iron Rock Insurance, Epley, Honeybun, Carbon Producers, and Derrimon Trading. The losers? We had Radio Jamaica, General Accident Insurance, Jetcon Corporation, G West Corporation, and Kingston Properties. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.